Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and welcome to this explainer video on our physical exam template. A physical exam is a routine procedure usually performed by a primary care provider, or PCP. Examples of PCPs include family doctors, physicians, nurse practitioners, or registered nurses. Additionally, trainees or residents of the above professions may find this template particularly helpful as they learn to conduct physical examinations. Not every patient will have the same requirements for their physical exam. While some patients will be seeking an integrative physical checkup, others are required to have specific examinations due to their family history or diagnosed conditions. We have created a simple-to-use physical exam template to help you streamline this process and save you time. This template is customizable for all your patients, regardless of the purpose of their physical exam. You can complete your physical exam however you like using this template. Once you have completed the examination, or after each part of the examination, simply tick the relevant body system from the template to say if there were any abnormal findings. For any body systems you did not examine, there is space to tick Not Examined as well. Physical examinations often combine results from radiology, histology, or the patient's history. This additional information can be added in the Notes section on the last page of the template. To demonstrate how this template can be used flexibly to suit your needs, we have included a sample physical exam template for you to take a look at. Feel free to pause the screen to read in more detail. To use this form from within Carepatron, simply head to the Templates menu from the menu on the left-hand side. Ensure you're filtering by community templates to see our full range. Then search by keyword. Once you've found the template you would like to use, hover over it and click Choose Template. You'll then be prompted to select the patient you would like to attach this template to. And here it is. The template is now loaded into your Draft tab and you can complete it right from within here. Once you're finished, click Publish.